See, I'm back on my...
Currently, we're chasing Evan down. I'm trying to see if he can get into hiking with me, man. I want to get Evan to hike with me. Also, because I need to exercise, and I don't want to abandon my dad duties, man. I want to fucking crush it with dad duties. So I'm doing a test trial run right now to see if I can get Evan to hike with me. I got money here helping me out in case shit goes south. Hiking with Evan, I will say that I think I need to change the goal here. I think the goal isn't to fucking get my calories in or like burn calories today. That's just not gonna work. Do you like your chair? Do you like your backpack? Oh, we're gonna backpack it up. Oh wait, no. Oh wait, no. No. All right, walk is done. Now time for a side quest. We're gonna go get some
syrup, yo.
We're gonna go get some syrup.
1, 2. 1, 2.
She has risen. All right, real quick. Let me open some of these windows up. So I'm gonna give you guys a little tour about the house. I just wanna show you how dirty the house is right now. Like, so you guys can have an idea how much work we have. Like, the house, we haven't touched anything. This is pretty much where it is. I'll keep it real. The kitchen is definitely gonna be one of the places that, in my opinion, always gets the dirtiest. But I love natural light, guys. I gotta get some natural light going on in here. Give you guys a little tour, show you guys. This room's not that bad. We don't really use this room that much anymore, honestly. So let me give you guys a little quick tour, show you guys. Well, we'd stretch and stuff and yoga, and Erica works out of here. But all right, show you guys the messiness, all right? Let's see real quick. I have to organize that a little bit. This little corner, we'll have to organize that a little bit. Probably the messiest room for sure has to be this room. We call this the kids' room. Hey Siri, turn kids' room light to 100%, please. We're just gonna have to organize this closet a little bit. Clean up in here. Number 2, make the bed, pick up some of these things here. Clean the bathroom up a little bit. Number 2 is the kitchen. This is the part that we're really gonna have to do stuff. Because here's the thing. The kitchen, yeah, it's a little messy. It's a little bit worked in and stuff. But like the stove definitely needs to get cleaned up. And the oven needs to get cleaned up. Then, this is gonna be another thing we gotta clean up. This thing, all this bacon grease needs to come off. We did a shitty attempt and then we kind of got lazy and didn't do it, but yeah. And there's the bathroom. This is where the kids take their bath, and this is my favorite one to go pooping, but don't, we'll have to clean that up. First stop, the oven is probably the messiest thing right now, honestly, but I think I gotta take a toot. But we will have a special guest appearance from none other than E-Money.
What up?
Turns out I'm gonna have to do a side quest, another side quest. It's always side quest. Side quest, side quest, side quest, side quest, side quest. I gotta go to Home Depot because I'm gonna get new blades to help fucking scrape some of that stuff off. Real quick, let me kiss the wife. Bye. Mwah.
Love you.
All right, side quest. Definitely never without fail. Every time I have a mission I gotta do, I'm never prepared. That thing, I don't know, that bothers me too. I think a lot of you Army guys kind of know why it bothers me, because in the Army, like, you're always ready, like you're always, I don't know. You're always, planning, prep to get ready for mission readiness and shit. So yeah, it kind of bothers me, even when I do it. It actually bothers me the most when I do it. When other people do it, I'm like, oh, it's so annoying. I can say shit to them and then it'll make me feel better. But when I do it, I don't know. There's no amount of shit talking that I can do to myself will make me feel better about it. I just feel like, God, Eric, you know fucking better than this. You should have went to Home Depot yesterday. You should have got all the shit that you knew you were going to need. Now look at this. It's 2:35, by the way, and you were dilly-dallying. You were fucking taking your sweet-ass time. Oh, I got to go on this backpack walk, blah, 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 blah. Internal dialogue. Sometimes they're not my friends. Home Depot galore. Home Depot. All right, so we're looking for, I need blades. Let me find them real quick. Blades, where the fuck would they be at? Ooh, I do need those. Damn, that's why I like coming to Home Depot, because especially when I'm balling on a budget, because now I'm saying all the shit that I want to. Eric. No, do it, Eric. Don't do it, Eric. 80? No. All right, hold on. Let me see if I can find the blades. Give me a sec. Yeah, I had to ask for help. All right. I got to give you guys my man card. All right, here it is. This is what we're looking for, though. Look, I need these blades right here. These blades right there, those ones. So I need these ones and then single edge blades as well. I'm going to use these to scrape off and then this one's for my knife, but this is so I can scrape off what am I trying to say here? So I can scrape the oven off. Whoa, what? I'm not whoa, hold up, what? Definitely worth the trip to go to Home Depot and get new blades, because now all this stuff is coming off so easy. Like literally, no, like barely any energy is being put into doing this. It's just coming off so easy. Look at that. This window's gonna look new. You wanna make sure when you do this, you do it at an angle though, so that you don't scratch the window. So you don't scratch the window part here. And then just kind of wipe it off and see how it looks. Oh, and it looks good. It looks good. Look, there's some little pieces right here. Russell, he's trying to get. Yeah, I know, but I'm making a video. Say hi, Bryson. No, you're not even. No, don't touch the lens. Don't touch the lens. Don't touch the lens. Don't touch the lens. Color right there. You see how that's silver? That's what color the inside of the stove's supposed to be like. This thing literally looked like I bought it off Amazon from like the Los Angeles fires. And then Erica tried to clean it, and I have no idea what she did, but it's fucked. And I hate to admit this, but I'm throwing this away. I'm gonna throw this away. It's a nice ass Breville. And I'm gonna buy another one. I know that sounds like, dude, no way. Yeah, I'm gonna throw it away and buy another one. Fuck it. It just, Erica was cooking bacon and all these meats and stuff. New rule: no more cooking that. Bagels only, breads, fries and stuff like that. So that's life, you know. You live and you learn, I guess. It just sucks because it's a pretty penny to get one of these. All right, cool. Now we got most of this stuff off with the blade, and now I'm gonna take this door off right here, and then wait, what? Oh!